Aloha everyone, welcome in again. David Tatera here with CryptoTutorials.org. I'm super excited to share this series with you. As you know, I'm doing the top 10 most interesting, most exciting projects that I saw, tokens that I saw released for the month of June. So well over 1,000 new tokens come out every month. There's all kinds of different things from rug puller scam tokens to really, high-end projects with backing and capital and everything in between. So I like keeping an eye on them. Sometimes I see a new project that I'm interested in investing in. Sometimes I see a new project that I just like the technology. Sometimes I want to keep an eye on who's working on the project. So I'm going to share with you the 10 most interesting that I found last month. As well as this video is going to go over how to purchase the token. So if you're interested and you do want to do it as an investment, it'll go over how to purchase it. I'm also going to link up above to another video that's going to just tell you about the token and kind of let you know, why I think it's an interesting project and worth diving in on. All right. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let YouTube know that you're a fan of this type of content and that you like listening to it, and we'll make sure you get to see more. And let's get started. And today we're discussing the Hero token. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. But before I go over how to purchase this token, I want to show you a way that you can actually get some free tokens. And I'm not talking about scammy, crappy coins that are out there. I mean name brand, high quality tokens. So I teach a thing called the Airdrop Masterclass. Normally it's $97. Right now, if you go to getmyfreecrypto.com, link down below, and sign up for it, I will send you a link that you can take that class totally free. It's going to show you everything about how to find the right airdrops, how to apply for them and successfully get them. I literally let you watch me as I go through the process. So you have no excuse. You can definitely go out and get some free crypto. All right, go to getmyfreecrypto.com, sign up for the Airdrop Masterclass before we change the price. All right, time to pick up some Hero token. I'm going to take a quick look here. Hero token. As you can see, it's up a little bit, 22.5 cents, almost 2.5 cents a token. And it is a BSC token. So we are going to copy that contract address and we're going to head on over to PancakeSwap.finance. All right. So let's do a trade. We're going to go to exchange. And we're swapping BNB for our new currency, Hero. So you can see Hero gets pulled up and I say import. I understand. Basically, it's telling me that anybody can make a coin and they can make some shitty coins out there. So watch out. And it's true. But this one I plan on purchasing. I like the project so far. There is the balance. Okay, so I'm not going to pick up a whole lot. I'm just going to pick up 0.05. Which gets me, it looks like about 600 heroes, and that's fine by me. And I'm going to do a swap here. Confirm my swap. Small transaction, gas fee, very, very little, fine by me. And then we go to our MetaMask. We add the token. Under assets at the bottom, add token, contract address, Hero, add the token. And there we go, 596.958 Hero. All right. Well, there's the purchasing. I am going to jump on over here in just a second, and I am actually going to play with the tokens on the site and find out a little bit more about what you can actually do with them. So I'll link that video up above if you want to click on that, or at the end that's going to show you just how to do it. In the meantime, give me a like, give me a subscribe, let YouTube know you appreciate me showing you how to buy these tokens, and I will keep giving you the down low. Aloha.